Hello, everybody. So, one more time, I'm here with one more interesting topic to discuss. And today, I have decided to, discuss a movie that I have recently watched, and that movie is PK. Obviously, so this is, not a very new movie. It's a movie of, I think, 2011, directed by maybe Hirani. Okay, so I'm not sure about that. Let's not get into that. So the genre of the movie is comedy, first of all. Secondly, there is a social perspective. At the same time, there is also a religious point of the story. Okay, so what happens in this story? A person named PK, which means a drunken person, so this name PK was given to him from lot of people who were confused, about how he behaves, how he talks, how he thinks about a lot of things on the planet, right? So in the movie, he was portrayed as an alien landed up on the earth, on the land of Rajasthan of India, right? One of states of India. And as he landed, he found everything so peculiar on this planet. As he started questioning how things are going on, what is all this about. And even he didn't know the language of this planet, as obviously he was an alien, right? So he you know tried very hard to understand things, how things works on this planet. And he called the gola to indicate the planet. And he very first highlighted the religious perspective of this world. In this story, he called different religions as different companies, and the messengers of different religions, he called them as managers of those companies. And uh, he accused that everybody is trying to show their own religions as the best, and they all are asking others to believe what they say, what their religion ask to follow them. And to portray all this, they figured a story in which a Hindu monk is shown as a corrupted one, in which he used to create a fear in the mind of people. And at the same time, he also offered them a way, offer them a method to get rid of that fear. And that way is to connecting with God. And he say that I'm the messenger of the God, I can send your message to him, and your problem is going to be solved in just at finger points. So in that way, he makes a lot of money. But the man PK, uh, along with the anchor, try to expose him very clearly. They conspired to expose him. They worked hard to bring his real face to the public, and at the end they are successful in doing that. And this alien, the PK, then returned to his own planet, or that we don't know what planet he belongs to. And there is also a fun factor to the story. There is a lot of comedy. You are going to love it if you have decided to watch it and haven't watched yet. So yes, you have time, please go watch the story. You will also get an insight uh, about the religions, that what the messengers of the gods are saying may not be as true as they claim to be. So you must use your own brain, your own logics behind what they say, what they claim. It's very very important to be verified through your own logics, and your own belief system, thought system must be you know opened up, so that you can consider all the perspectives and not just follow your own religion. That's the perfectly right. But hating somebody else's religion is something that we must not do. We must first understand why they are saying this. What is their intention behind their practices, how they started practicing their own traditions, own customs. So the end of the story brings us to a conclusion that please don't believe blindly what the messengers of a particular religion claim to be true. Go ahead and think it logically, verify it first, and then whatever you decide is your own choice, and nobody is gonna interrupt in that. So yes, that was the whole story that I could understand from the story. So yes, for today I think it's enough, and I hope I would be able to make it clear that what is the story all about, a rough idea, right? So yes, thank you so much for joining me, listening to me till here, watching me. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Bye bye.